everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. Have you ever wondered what actually happens behind the scenes when you confirm a sale order in Odoo? When you click confirm and suddenly inventory gets updated, delivery orders are created, and stock starts moving. But how exactly is the sales module connected with inventory? Let's break it down step by step in Odoo 19. So, the basic concept is in Odoo, sales and inventory are not separate systems. They are deeply integrated modules working together in a single workflow. When a sale happens, inventory automatically reacts, and this is what makes Odoo a real ERP system. So let's start with a simple sales order. Now, for that, you need the sales module. And when you add a product in the sales order, Odoo checks the product configuration. If the product is stockable product and managed in inventory, then inventory gets involved immediately. So for that, you have to click on new. And now comes the adding of the customer. So I'm adding the customer here and let's add a product. Okay, so let the product be a caustic block screen and I'm confirming it. Now you can see a red color thing over here, which means the stock is not available. Okay, so I'll simply go to the internal link of the product. And here you can see the quantity is not enough actually. There is only 16 quantity, but the variant that we've chosen has only 0 on hand. So I'll simply do one thing, change the variant. So that's the better option right now. This is white. I'll choose the black. So here we have the product and I'm confirming it. So the on-hand quantity there was 16. I hope you guys remember. I'm taking 1 from there, or simply let's change it to 6. Okay. So now comes the important step, which is confirming the sales order. So you have the confirm button, and once you click on confirm, Odoo automatically does 3 things. What are they? It creates a delivery order in the inventory. It reserves the stock if the product is available, and it updates the forecasted inventory. So this is the exact connection between the sales and the inventory. So here you have the delivery order, open that. After confirmation, Odoo is automatically generating this particular delivery order, and this delivery order lives inside the inventory module. It contains the product details. Now, this is actually a data of the inventory module. It doesn't belong to the sales. Okay, but you can access it through the sales module. Now, this is the delivery order and it contains the product details. As you can see, the source location, that is the source warehouse, the quantity that has to be delivered. Okay, and then you can see the operation type and the delivery address, that is the destination of the customer location. Everything is given there properly, and this is where the physical stock movement is tracked. So once the sale order is confirmed, Odoo tries to reserve the stock automatically, and if it gets reserved, it gets reserved if it's not available. Okay, so here you have one thing, which is to check the availability. It goes into waiting or back order state once the product is not available. Okay, so this ensures that accurate stock control, the accurate stock control in real time. Now, after this, you can actually check the the availability, and you can validate the delivery order. So when the goods are shipped, we can validate the delivery order. So I'm checking the availability and the products are available. And then you can simply click on valid. So before that, you have to make sure the quantity is given over here. Okay, and then I'm validating it. So what happens is that the stock is deducted from the inventory. Okay, so if you go to the moves, which is the products moves from the warehouse, you can see it has been taken. Okay, it's picked from the warehouse. So now let's go back, and this is where sales and inventory fully synchronize. Now there should be a deduction of 6 quantity of this product, right? So let's go and check. Okay, so if you go to the products here, the products in the inventory and the accounting, the sales are both same. So this is the acoustic block screen. Now the on-hand quantity is just 10. Okay, so let's summarize the full connection. Like, sale order is created and the sale order is confirmed. The delivery order is created, the stock is reserved, delivery is validated, and the inventory is updated. Okay, so this is a fully automated ERP flow that takes place. And let's take a real example. Like if a company sells 10 laptops, when the sale order is confirmed, inventory checks the stock, delivery order is created, warehouse team ships the laptop, and stock gets reduced automatically. So no need of manual stock entry. So that's how the sales and inventory is connected to each other. And why do you think this integration matters? It's because this integration helps the business to avoid these stock mismatches. It automates the delivery operations and track real-time inventory. It even reduces the manual errors and it improves order fulfillment speed. And this is why Odoo is powerful for retail, wholesale, and manufacturing. And that's how sales is connected with inventory in Odoo 19. And if you understand this flow, you already understand the core of Odoo ERP. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorial. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.